Hi, I'm Addison Miller, and today I'm going to be talking about nuclear energy. There are many kinds of energy, but the kind of energy I'm going to be discussing today is electricity. Electricity comes from power plants, which use three main sources of energy to create electricity. These sources include fossil fuels, nuclear material, and renewable resources. Fossil fuels come from the decomposition of organic materials. Over millions of years, organic materials are compacted and stuffed under immense pressure under the Earth's surface. Nuclear energy comes from nuclear fission. This nuclear fission allows for an efficient source of energy. Renewable resources include water, wind, and solar radiation. Although these resources are widely available, they are not very efficient. Nuclear energy starts with a process called nuclear fission. In the process of fission, the nucleus is broken, releasing huge bursts of energy. When the energy is released, it is used to vaporize water into steam. This steam then rises through a chimney, turning turbines. These turbines are attached to a generator, which then power the generator, creating electrical energy. The steam is then cooled and is lowered and reused for another round. The steam is reused, making this process very efficient and limiting waste. When the nuclear waste is left, it is normally very small. This makes keeping harmful radiation easy to control. Since nuclear energy is created by professionals, it is very safe and not very harmful to our environment. The amount of carbon dioxide waste from fossil fuels is approximately 1,000 tons of carbon emission for every gigawatt hour. These carbon emissions are stuffing up our atmosphere, causing the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is trapping solar radiation in our atmosphere, heating up the entire planet, melting our glacial ice and our freshwater resources. A gigawatt hour is 1 billion hours of watts. But nuclear energy only emits 17 tons of carbon emissions for every gigawatt hour. Without this harmful carbon emission, our atmosphere would be 61% cleaner. This would allow for healthier children and adults. The use of nuclear energy is revolutionizing our world already. It's already starting to allow for cleaner air. This is allowing people to live healthier daily lives, and it is also allowing for many people to have a safe future and to live longer. The use of nuclear energy will allow for better technology and has already been applied to many ships and submarines. This is taking away the harmful carbon emissions and replacing them with safe nuclear fuels. It is easy to use nuclear energy to power cities because it is very efficient. The use of nuclear energy could take the use of nuclear material for bombs and harm and allow them to be used for clean, cheap energy. This clean, cheap energy is very efficient and will allow for technological advances to come, allowing for supercomputers to be powered and for materials that we cannot yet mine to be mined to create a more efficient society. I hope you are more informed on this clean, efficient energy source. Be looking out for nuclear energy today, allowing for the technological advances of tomorrow. Thank you, and goodbye.